Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Etumatatu yeritko lya 22 umutienyo yego kianda mwaka w'ikibina 2025 mwanchu mulgira no kwigena kwane ningomara gobo igora motwereru na yana aronkwa time yamangana mayesenchira yobwenge kurugete ni kyao kyabene Eye n'Ensoko TV nabakwenda gutubwata ase mitanda yito ya YouTube amona Facebook esenchira ere yobwekiranu. Mwanchu mwegereria omokonyi omonene usomokonyi obene bwo murai bwense omusikifaru kibet omogikiri borabarai ibalia abakonyamereria serikali asekere abatebiri buna anigo obagokora siasa kirichuko bagana abakenya. Faruk niga yakwanyiraya imeye county area wasinigishu asekera namasabo oye kanisa yamo imeyegeti yeskuru yoboroso ya Moro.
Haiwezekani kwamba watu ya upinzani agenda yao kubwa ni kudivide wa Kenya, kwamba wakiamuka asubuhi ni kabila hii na kabila hile. Ni kwa nini watu ya upinzani hawana agenda ya Wakenya? Agenda yao kubwa sana katika taifa la Kenya ni ujojezi, mulima, mteremuko, pakafu. Sisi tunawaambia inji lazima iende mbele ikiwa na umoja ya Wakenya. Hata wao hawana adabu. Hata siku tu ile Mungu ametenga kwamba Jumapili na Jumamosi na Friday ya Waislamu waende wakahubiri mambo ya amani, hawana lugha hiyo kikanisa, hawana lugha kwa vinywa vyao. So sisi tunawaambia don't divide the country along tribal lines. And there is no need, if you don't have an agenda, there are more people who have more agenda than you. Kwa sababu nimesikia lugha yao kwamba wao hawatakuwa na candidate. Walisema candidate wao mkubwa ni kondoo. Sasa tunashukuru Mungu kwa sababu sasa hakuna, unajua nyinyi ni mnaenda December. Kawaida yetu kondoo, ng'ombe, kuku ni ya kuchinja na kusherekea. Sasa kama wamejiondoa kwa race kwamba wao hawana candidate wao ni kondoo, hiyo basi ni kusema kwamba agenda zao zikiwa za kuuza ukabila haijanunulika kwa Wakenya.
Natoko skamotu mwanchu mulgereria ni gobono mobwa bateneni bekinyagita ikiricha bamenyi meyense ya Kenya bari guche guteneni abakoreri bwabo guchi asa abakori emeremo bari bakunyakorera emeremo serikali emeremo meyense ya Kenya onye serikali atiri guchugonchereria omuroberi oriosha guchakera omutiyenyi 12 onye nigo batebire ngago ikomutinyi 12 onye serikali tiri guchia kuikirania magani yabo nigo baguchi guteneni abakoreri bwabo guchi asa abakori emeremo be serikali.
We refuse the idea that teachers and police will be migrated to SHA before hospitals are owed the money that is owed to them by Minet and MKL. This cannot happen. So therefore we are just declaring very simply, come December, if the money is owed to hospitals by the teacher scheme and police scheme are not paid, we will not offer medical services to teachers and police under the new scheme in SHA. Finally, there must be urgent reform of the SHA financing model. It is not possible that only 10% of Kenyans can carry 96% of the weight. We hear politicians saying, go to hospital, healthcare is free. The Kenyan people know that this is not the truth. The reality of the matter is that these populist statements do not reflect the truth on the ground. Kenyan patients continue to incur catastrophic expenses. And the reason why they are incurring this is because the architects of the SHA revolution or the SHA reform are so unwilling to listen to sound advice. They have ignored all professionals. They listen to no one. They are they are basically unable to accept that there are other ideas and they are leading the country in the wrong path. Therefore, we ask for immediate change as SHA approaches to 1 year. The system of collecting money is not working. The model of financing healthcare is not working. And unless all of us step up and change things, we can only see a healthcare system that will collapse.
Na tugutigana nayo umwanchi mugiria abanyagitari nigo bono abaru ba JSS bemburunkaniriye igoro yo muroberia uyu OJSS gutenerwa n'iki skuru cy'oboroso asebateruna nigo gitambakirekyo gikobalina obusibore bwabo bono banyiboririye serikali gosebanyere serikali y'amatuko 15 eryo erigereriye egitambukirekyo gosegya JSS gutenerwa amo n'iki skuru cy'oboroso limorioka.
Independence of moguls therefore is key, since the caliber, nature, and qualifications of human resource in junior school is totally different from that of primary schools. The learning areas, mode of operation, lesson structure, and funding differs from the primary schools.
Wanapaswa kusimamiwa na mwalimu ambaye amehitimu kama wao. Kwa hivyo tunaambia serikali, tunawapatia muda mfupi sana warekebisha haya maneno. I think it is the high time the president calls for an evaluation of what is happening in the JSS, so that he can get the true picture of what is happening currently and what is on the ground.
Those JS teachers are suffering, they are mistreated, even they don't get lunch, they don't have staff room, they stay under the tree, even in co-curricular, they have been forgotten. These teachers are suffering, they are suffering on mental health because of what is happening. We want junior school to be we want an autonomy. It should be autonomous. We don't want them to be mixed with primary.
Sitasimama maovu ya kitawala. Sitasimama maovu ya kitawala.
Na abono umwanchi umurigereria nigo mugabana abwe county ya Kisumu Professor Anyang' Nyong'o aburira abakenya kwenekyo murembeanane achinsemo kiria achie chimbebe eliense ya Kenya enyare gwikirania emirobere yaye ya magenderero gukwana kurwa ase county ya Kisumu abwe asekerana umuyega abwo gucengera litko olyo murembe imeyense nigo Anyong'o igosiri Anyang' Nyong'o aganiriyo murembe ase chinse chinde ibunenseria ya South Sudan amonenseria ya Congo.
We don't want the UNO, United Nations Organization, to meet every year, make resolutions about peace. And we still see conflicts in DRC, in the Sudan, in Southern Africa, and some we see emerging in West Africa. Thank God, at least in Eastern Africa, we have managed to maintain peace substantially. Without peace, there can be no development. Without peace, there may not be humanity on earth. As we call for peace abroad, we must practice it within our nation. We must practice it in our own homes. For decades, the Kenyan journey has been hampered by the festering wounds of unresolved internal border issues. These are not merely administrative lines or a map. They are the fault lines of our national unity.
Na goska motu mwanchu mulgereria nigo bono amameranio ye ligi ye regionals ya Kitutu Masaba nigo abwatanse imeye gasero keria agia tombe amadimani ayo akwatirania chitimu emerongevere nigo arochi egoika omwerio ye Kegima Entand FC ama Onenchore FC kurense meria ya Gesima nigo obatie mana na agosigikania abwa asekerabo keria agia Nchoro kiaba kuyokubwa kerabo keria asekerabo keria Entanda chigori bere aseyemo.
Asegeti skuru y'oboroso ya Tombe chitimu ibere Entand FC amonenchore FC niko chiasigikanirie asama meranio ye region. Chitimu ichi chonsi niko chiarokire keminanege tindi goikachida yakachiri emerongo kianda chiabo Tambe goikomo timoko bwentunde tangani Enchoro FC niko barenge igoro asegolia yamo unabago sera sintunde yakabere Entand FC na baro banyorari bagana kobeke goli yabo entangani Enchoro na ende mbairana na kobeke goli ende na gokora mangana ko bachigoli bera segolia yamo korengana no mwegeli timu ya Enchoro Peter Mugusu Anyona no nyababu yego soli yo na barumba bwa tebitango.
Challenges niko nazo mingi upande wa wachezaji kidogo but ina cope up nazo wakati na watrainisha na hii live ya huku nje, kwa sababu pia timu yangu hailipi, so challenges lazima tuzikue. So kuleta wachezaji pamoja haikuangi kitu rahisi. So hizo kitu ya kwanza ni challenge ni kwamba vile nitawaleta pamoja, kwa sababu hawa ni watu wanafanya kazi zao mbalimbali, but najaribu kuwaleta pamoja ili tuone kwamba Njoro FC imesonga.
Omwegerio yini gagoteba buna serikali rigiri mono aiga mashinani na kubasira.
Mimi naambia serikali ya Kenya so nawaambia ndio mtu acheze Harambee, ndio mtu acheze huko nje kama akina Cristiano, akina Messi, lazima atoke mahali, na hapa chini grassroots ndio mtu anatoka. Ndio maana tunapambana na hizi timu za grassroots tuone kwamba zimetupea wachezaji wazuri wenye wanaweza tuwakilisha kama nchi. So naambia FKF na serikali ya Kenya kwamba hapa chini ndio talanta ziko, na wasingatia hapa chini kabisa, so that we can produce more talents pale juu.
Omwegerio yuni gale no kwegana buna baise gusirwa ina bakore buyasi chitieno cyabo. Vincent